to say thank you to all the club members and all the Division H people come to join this, participate as audience or as contestant in this contest. I really appreciate your laughter, your support, or even your smile. All sort of things give me a very high energy to say that the message is about, even if you are not ready, you still need to take actions, because the things you want to may not wait until you are ready. By the time you participate in a contest, you're already successful, and you will learn something, no matter you get a trophy or not.
Who votes for Eric? Do you still remember who voted for your favorite speaker? Now let's invite Eric to draw one of the lucky person out of the box.
The lucky person is Eric Cheng. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you are very lucky already. We know.
It's my good friend, Alex.
Oh!